So I wanted to record a video today, but I'm sick in bed. But I'm gonna try anyways, so here goes. Hey, my name's Vanessa, and this is Data Savvy TV. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the difference between a data analyst, a data engineer, and a data scientist. A data analyst will probably work more specifically with Excel, data visualizations in Power BI and Tableau, and work in Excel doing some basic modeling, statistics, maybe some VLOOKUP, kind of working through data sets, maybe making some pivot tables, Power Pivot charts, PowerPoint, putting stuff into decks so that you can share it with, leadership. They might do some Python, probably not too much application-based Python, mostly analytics-based. A data scientist is definitely going to be more heavy into statistical packages, more programming, Python mostly for data visualizations. There might be some Tableau work in there, but mostly it's going to be about statistics, statistical modeling, trying to solve business problems, or perhaps make predictions if you get more into machine learning, things like that. Also for data scientists, you possibly could use R, but more often than not, jobs are going to be asking for Python. You're going to have to be really good with communication and being able to talk about complicated ideas and all the math with it, because it requires a lot of statistical prowess. Be able to explain that in layman's terms in normal English for talking to non-data science people. You'll probably spend some time negotiating with your leaders, your bosses, your coworkers, and having to not defend, but give you reasons why you're approaching a question in a certain way, or make sense of the question that they're asking, because they might be asking the wrong question. The data engineer is kind of going to be the person who is helping the data scientists get the data to them. So you're going to be doing more ETL types of things. So ETL stands for export, transform, load. So you're basically the data gathering, cleanup person. You'll be working with a lot of APIs. I forget what that stands for. I'll put it right here. You'll probably be doing some more programming as far as making databases talk to each other, which is where the APIs come in. There's a lot of movement to the cloud. That's a whole different video, but basically getting data in and out of the cloud, working with it while it's in the cloud, depending on what you're using. If you're using Amazon, you're using Azure, not a lot of people use Google, and using it as a platform as a service or software as a service. So more on that in a different video. All three will definitely be database, SQL type of skills that are needed. I think that data scientists would, salary-wise, pay the most, followed by a data engineer, and then data analyst would be making the least out of those three. But data analyst would be the kind of entryway into those other two roles. Personally, I'm more drawn to the data engineer side because of the development work I've done in databases, but having those analytical skill sets and being able to understand data modeling and the end product essentially is just all around really good to have. In the data analytics world is, do you really understand the business problem? Because sometimes the business end users don't always know how to voice that problem or know exactly what they're looking for. They just know there is a problem and they want you to figure it out, but they won't always be able to phrase it in the right way. So oftentimes you have to be like, not correcting, yeah, you'll be correcting them a lot. So you have to have good people skills, good communication skills, be good with negotiation as well. That's all I can think of right now. So hopefully I'll be feeling better soon, but who knows? So anyways, have a good night. Bye. Hey, my name's Vanessa, and this is Data Savvy TV, the one that started in 2017, because I just found one that started in 2018. That's totally a knockoff my name, but they do totally different software, so I don't care.